The Best of Jamaica 2020 Dallas Results Show. We asked and you responded, so here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in Dallas for 2020.
This is Nigel with the new Digicel International app. He can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
All right, then we're going to move on now from Atlanta and we're moving in the region of Dallas. And we're going to start with what is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? And that is Elaines Kitchen. So congratulations to Elaines Kitchen. They are in Dallas and they've won the category of Best Local Jamaican Patty Shop / Bakery. Now we are going to move on to the other one. Where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? In Dallas, the people them say is Fiesta Mart. So congratulations to Fiesta Mart. And let me tell you something, Jamaican people serious about them food, you know. So believe me, when them tell us that this is them favorite, it is them favorite. Them know them can go there and get them stuff. So congratulations to them. We're going to move on to the other category. The Jamaican / Caribbean annual event missed the most attending due to COVID-19 in Dallas. It's the Caribbean Association of Texas CAT Annual Family Day Picnic. So congratulations to them. Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.